Rolling.
Hi, this is Lynn Marlowe, assistant to Rick Beckwith. We're here in Dallas today to accept the challenge from the Central Region AP group. We've got regional here, corporate, and IT. And we accept the challenge, and we've all got our buckets, so we're ready. What?
Oh, we didn't know we were supposed to act.
I'm missing a few.
Okay, here we go.
Any last words?
We are nominating to complete the Irving, Texas Dallas-Fort Worth Division Challenge. We're nominating North America Title in Irving, North America Advantage Insurance Services, and Multifamily Communities. We'll see you on Tuesday.